Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Indian rice, a staple in many cuisines. To start, selecting the right rice is paramount for achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Always choose a quality long-grain variety, such as Basmati, which is renowned for its unique fragrance and individual grains. Steer clear of short grain or sticky rice types, as they won't give you the authentic, light results you are aiming for. Before cooking, washing your rice thoroughly is an essential step. This removes surface starch, which helps prevent the grains from becoming sticky. After rinsing until the water runs clear, soak the rice in cool water for about 20 to 30 minutes. Soaking hydrates the grains, promoting more even cooking and a longer, fluffier result. Remember to drain the rice completely before moving on to the next step. For stove-top cooking, a precise water-to-rice ratio is key. Aim for 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Bring the water to a vigorous boil in a heavy-bottomed pot, then gently stir in your well-drained rice. Once added, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for 12 to 15 minutes. Do not peak during this time. Once the simmering time is complete, immediately remove the pot from the heat, but keep the lid securely in place. Allow the rice to rest, undisturbed, for a full 10 minutes. This crucial step permits the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and firm. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork, moving from the bottom upwards, to achieve those wonderfully separate and fluffy grains ready for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.